Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design logo from client sketch. Most of the time, clients give you a sketch to design logo like their sketch, and then we design according to their sketch, or if need to add any things, we add this to their design for make professional. So in this video, I will show a real client sketch and I will design a logo from his sketch. So, make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information that you find in this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. Go to File, and place your client sketch. Lock the sketch. This is my client sketch, so now I design this. First take a rectangle tool, and draw like that. Again take rectangle tool, and draw another shape like that. Now copy the rectangle by hold Alt. Select all objects, and move it from the sketch. Take Move tool, and carve like that. Okay, that's fine. Increase the stroke of both rectangle. Take rectangle tool, and draw a rectangle. Keep watching what I'm doing. Rotate the shape. Now take Move tool, carve like that. Select this, and make it united. Copy it, and make it small, and fit this on this shape. Do the same like that. Keep watching carefully. Okay, that's good. Group it. Take a line segment tool, and draw a line. Select all, and take Shape Builder tool, and remove the extra parts. Now take an ellipse tool, and draw a circle. Keep the design in circle middle. Now select all, and take Shape Builder tool, and fill this part like that. Okay, that's fine. Take another ellipse tool, and draw a circle like that. Increase the circle stroke. Now write the logo name. The logo name is JMFGC. Make the logo name arc lower. For that, go to Object, and select Envelope Distort. Okay, that's good. Now we add a dove icon because my client wanted to put a dove icon on his logo. Go to Chrome, write Flaticon, and go to this website. Search dove, and find a beautiful dove icon, which you want to use your logo. I like this stuff, so download this. Now put the dove in circle. Okay, that's look good. This is the design which I do for my client, with combination of mine and client informations. So thank you for your attention. I hope I helped with this video. So don't forget to comment with valuable information that you find it. Push the like button, and subscribe my channel if you didn't yet. See you in another video.